Let's say you're looking for a beautiful cabin, 3-bed, 2-bath, built by the Amish that we can ship all over the United States. This is our Big Bertha 3.0. I'm going to try to film real quick. My phone's been going crazy today, so let's see if I can get through filming this without the phone ringing. You got your living room over here. You got a little nook for a dining room table there. You got your kitchen over there. Underneath the stairs, which goes to your loft. Over here, you got your 40-gallon water heater. We can also go tankless if you don't want that big beast. You want to go smaller with the on-demand water heater. Again, you got all your name brand kitchen appliances, which is included in the cabin. Look at this. Got your little spot here when you're doing your dishes. Look out the window. Check out your scenes on your property. There is a pantry right over here. A small pantry. We got one of them smaller refrigerators in this little nook, but you can put a regulation size refrigerator here. We just got this one here because this is just a sales model. Got the nice big window there with some natural light coming in. Beautiful knotty pine cabinets, all kinds of cabinet space. You ain't running out of cabinets in this kitchen. So very usable space. Very usable space. So again, this is here you got a pocket door for your privacy. Let me film that and step back so you can see what that looks like. So that goes into your shared bathroom. There is another private bathroom in the master ensuite bedroom down through that door, which I'll show you in a second. But this is for your guests, right? So, of course, as you can see, this Big Bertha 3.0 is already fully wired. You got 2x6 exterior wall framing on this home. So, and then you got your tongue and groove knotty pine on the inside, and then your D-log siding on the outside. But the walls is actually 2x6s behind all that. That way it looks and feels like a cabin, but it performs like a modern day home. It's very efficient. You can live in them year round because they're chock full of insulation on these modern cabins. Okay, here you got your hot and colds for your washer and dryer. The dryer on the bottom, it's a stackable system, of course, that fits right here. Washer on top. Very generous size bathroom. You got your little closet here for your bathroom essentials. Again, you'll notice that we do a lot of walk-in showers here with these little seats in them. Folks get a little older. You get afraid of having a tub. You don't want to fall. So this is nice. You can sit on your seat there. Ladies can shave their legs. Older folks can sit down, wash your toes, and not risk falling down and ending up in the hospital. So you get a little older, you got to think about them kind of things, you know. All kinds of natural light coming in here. Now remember though, on that note, before I get to yapping and walk away, you can get a tub here if you want a tub. Because for a lot of ladies, a tub is a non-negotiable, and you might want to take that risk. So if you want a tub, we could put a tub here instead of a walk-in. So keep that in mind. You got your commode. You got your sink, mirror, again, all that pretty knotty pine, tongue and groove on the walls. There's your kitchen again. Just beautiful, you know what I'm saying? Beautiful. And then your living room. We'll end up the video going out the front if my phone don't ring. Let's see how that goes. Let's do the grand opening here. So here downstairs, this 3.0, we wanted to make sure we put a bedroom downstairs because, you know, again, you get a little older. You don't want to tackle them steps, you know, when you get into your 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. You don't want to tackle all that, right? Leave that for the guests and grandkids. Let them tackle that, okay? But you have your little nest down here. And there's your electrical box, okay? There's your queen size bed. Again, you see the theme. Nice natural light coming in, knotty pine walls. And remember too, guys, again, I talk about this all the time. Let's say you love the knotty pine, but you don't want to be overwhelmed by it. You don't want to feel like you're living in the woods, because a lot of people love this, okay? Majority of my customers love this look with all the wood everywhere. But every once in a while, someone will call me, and I'll get back to showing you that bathroom in a second. But I want to show you something. Every once in a while, someone will call me and say, you know what? I like the pine, but I don't want it overwhelming me, okay? So if you want some white wall accents, we can do that as well. I had the Amish put these white wall accents in this cabin, one here behind the kitchen area and where you'd put a little dining table, and one here where I think you'd end up putting the TV if you had a TV, because this little chair there, we could bring this over this way and everybody sit facing that way, and that's where you put the TV, in my opinion, right? So we did a couple accent walls with white walls just to show you all that we can do this whole cabin in white walls if you want, or we can do a combination of white and pine, or we can just do it all pine. So again, you do have options when you order your cabin. You can let us know how you want us to do it, and we can act accordingly and customize it for your specific needs. Okay, so just keep that in mind, that you're not stuck to doing it all pine. You can do accent walls with the white. And by the way, this is not sheetrock. Listen, let me tap on it. Listen. Hear that? That's wood, y'all. That is birch plywood. That is not sheetrock. And again, the reason the Amish use that in these buildings is when you transport these buildings and they have sheetrock in them because of all the bouncing up and down, bang, bang, bang on the highway, that sheetrock can come off of them walls or it can crack, and then you have work you got to redo on site. Whereas with this solid birch plywood walls painted white, it holds up very, very well to where when you deliver and where they're going, you don't have to worry about the maintenance or having to fix broken drywall and all that. Because remember, we're going to ship these things all over the United States. Okay. So again, you can do accent walls if you want. You don't have to do all pine. Okay. So over here inside the master bedroom, you got your bathroom. Again, you see the theme. You got your walk-in shower with the little seat there. And this window here goes out to looking at your front porch. You got your commode. You got some cabinet space, mirror. Okay, storage. There's your light switches. And straight ahead here, you'll see there's your electrical panel, 200 amp, plug and play, ready to go. You got your pocket door here for privacy while you're handling your business. Okay. And so, yeah. So what am I missing here? Just trying to cover all the bases. Oh, yeah. Another thing y'all always bring up when you're watching my videos is everybody always says, where's the closets? Where's the closets? Guys, this model is exactly that. This is a sales model on my lot. This ain't somebody's home. I know it looks like it's somebody's home because we got it all staged. See what I'm saying? We got the little shoes and all this. The Amish staged this for us, guys. You know, so y'all can visualize what this is going to look like as a home with someone living in it. This is just a stage situation. So when you order yours, you can let us know, hey, I want a closet there. I want a cabinet there, or that bathroom in there, right? Maybe you want to turn that into a big walk-in closet. Maybe you don't need a bathroom in the bedroom. Or maybe you'll take that whole section out completely to make your bedroom bigger, right? And put a closet over here or over there or over there. So you get to customize it when you order your cabin, guys. So just keep that in mind. You'll get to customize it when you order your cabin, okay? Maybe you don't like the color of these floors. You want to go lighter. You want to go darker with the LVP. No big deal. Maybe you want to do hardwood floors. Well, that's a heck of an upgrade, but we can do it as long as you're willing to pay for it. Maybe you want black windows instead of white vinyl windows. Okay, we can do that. Okay, maybe you want triple pane windows. No big deal. We can do it. Again, you just got to pay for the upgrade. Okay, so let me take y'all outside. I'm running out of time here. Oh, that sun's starting to shine now. That's good. And when I come out here, I'm going to turn around and show you. Beautiful day. You got the outside of it. Again, you got two dormers up there. And I'm going to take you upstairs in a second. I forgot I haven't gone upstairs yet. I'm going to take you upstairs. But let me show you outside, and we'll go upstairs and come back out. You got two dormers up there. You got a 6-foot by 46-foot front porch. Okay, livable space is 14 by 46 times 2. Just a beautiful structure, guys. 3 bed, 2 bath. Again, Today's price is $185 for this one, plus shipping and installation, which just depends on where it's going, and sometimes code modification, because we might have to beef this thing up to meet your code. Say you're in Florida, you got them high winds, or you're in Colorado, you got all that snow, or you're in Oklahoma, you got that wind, or you're in Maine, you got that snow. All of that's got to be priced in, right? Because we got to do a beefed up version of this cabin to meet that code. Because we built this one to code, so that way y'all can get this approved by your local county inspector and get your certificate of occupancy, okay? Because if it don't meet code in your area, then you can't get your certificate of occupancy and move into it. So we build these to code. Let me go back inside and show you the upstairs loft so I don't get too carried away here. Beautiful big porch. Look at that, y'all. Look at that porch. Isn't that pretty? Again, beautiful. And then let me take you upstairs to the second floor and show you the lofted area. So halfway up the stairs, you can see that's what it looks like. And then you go up the stairs. A lot of my customers are nowhere near me, so I like to kind of over film and get a lot of content, because I look at it like this. If I'm getting ready to make a big buying decision and I can't make it to the lot, I want to see every nook and cranny, every angle of that cabin before I cut me a check. So I like to take my time with it and film cabins over and over and over again so you can get a good vibe as your electrical outlets. And plus, like I said, every time I film, I notice something this time that I didn't notice the last time I filmed. You know what I mean? There's your outlets. Outlets over there. Outlets over there. So a lot of y'all are very detail oriented. A lot of contractors watch my content. A lot of builders, plumbers, electricians. Y'all notice everything. So I like to take my time with it and show y'all as much as I can. Because to my surprise, when I got into this business, helping the Amish sell these cabins, never in my wildest dreams would I think that 15% of my customers was actually going to be contractors and builders, but that's what it is.